Hello everyone, I'm Shovik Chakrabarti and I did a course from Ivy on business analytics, and after that I was able to do my career transition from a normal production associate to a business analyst. So currently I am working as a business analyst in TCS. When I joined TCS as a normal production associate, I was looking for opportunities to move into the IT sector, or maybe somewhere. I was looking for opportunities to have a growth in my career. And there are a lot of options that was available. I spoke with a few people, and even I googled it. I searched for in websites and saw that data science is an emerging career. And also, since I'm not from a very technical background and mostly a non-coding background, I was looking for opportunities and career chances where I don't have to, like, there is no need for prior coding knowledge. In data science also, I saw that prior coding knowledge is not required, and most of the applications, there are many applications in data science which actually does not require any coding. For instance, data visualization softwares, where actually you don't need any coding at all. So that is why I opted for data science at that time. So, I'm from a normal science graduate. I did my honors in zoology, which is actually pretty different from what I'm doing right now. So at that time, I wanted to know about like what are the opportunities and everything, and I contacted Ivy. I saw a lot of institutes were there. I contacted a few of them, and among Ivy, so they advised business analytics for me, and then I felt interested. And then I visited Ivy physically in the office, and I had a long discussion with the people over there. So after that, speaking with those people, I felt it. Like I felt comfortable. I felt at home at there. So that is the thing why I chose Ivy. And in Ivy, my overall experience was very good because due to some reasons, I was not able to join my physical classes most of the time, and I did the classes online. So Ivy provides a very nice online classroom facility. It has the online programs like where you can actually submit your assignments. You get daily assignments. You get submit them. You get rated over that, and doubt clearing sessions. And most importantly, like if you miss any class, you can actually see the recording which gets uploaded within 24 to 48 hours, and you can also see that and then learn all those things that you had missed. So it was a great learning experience. And apart from all the facilities like the classroom programs and everything, Ivy also provides various seminars, webinars, YouTube videos, tutorials, a lot of things. So I would say my overall experience with Ivy was, pretty satisfactory. So the thing that I liked most about it is that I was from a background where I didn't know anything about data science at that time, and the structure of the course is designed in such a way that you will actually, your whatever background, maybe you're from a technical background, maybe from civil or mechanical, maybe you're an honors graduate, maybe from science or commerce, or whatever background you are from. I believe that the course in Ivy is designed in such a way that you won't, feel any difficulty in understanding the whole thing. They start from the very basic of the courses of each and every module, and slowly, gradually they progress through it. And each and every step you will be understanding in a depth. So that is something I really enjoyed in Ivy. And the way the faculty members in Ivy teaches, especially Pratik sir, Shani ma'am, everyone, whoever teaches, they do it in a very friendly manner. So the course, actually, I expected to learn the whole thing properly, and with that expectation, it completely got met because I now actually, I know a lot of things about data science and the whole thing. So that is one expectation that I had, and of course, I had, that expectation is completely met. And one more thing is that I wanted to, get a career in data science after doing it. So also that is also now fulfilled. So yeah, all my expectations are met, and even I am looking to, if required, I am looking to take more courses from Ivy as well. It's very good, and you'll also have a module on business statistics as well. So the whole thing is very good. And if you're a beginner in data science, the way that Ivy, the courses are structured in such a way, and the teachers and the faculty are so good that you'll actually feel very comfortable in learning all the data science things in Ivy. So that is the most important reason why I would refer Ivy really.